Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Myself Arun, and today in this video we are going to discuss the solution of this linear question Frandec Company manufacturers. So here in this question they've asked in five parts. First, they are asking to formulate and solve the linear programming model, and then in the second part, the total cost. And in the third part, they're asking how many hours. And in fourth part, they're deciding to we need to provide that should Frandec will be willing to pay for an additional hour of the time in shipping department. And for part E, another manufacturer has offered to sell the frames to Frandec at 45 each. Could he improve its simple position by pursuing this company? Why or why not? So this is the Excel solution, and in this sheet is the formulation. We have provided the formulation with the constants, and we have the function for minimization of this part. So this is the minimization set, because the objective is to minimize the overall cost. So we have used variables here, and these all are the constants here as defined in the question itself. Now, for part A, B, C, and D, here's the part B for the Excel solver. So these all are the decision variables. And here's the objective functions. And these are the requirements. They all are automatically imported from the question itself. And this is the total cost for the minimization. And this has been used through Excel solver. So here's the Excel solver. We can see our objective is A15, then the changing variables are B10 to C12, and then these are the constants. Now part C, this is the part for C part. So we have provided the explanation over here, and these all are the constants. This is part D, and this is for part E. If we change for the purchase price, that has been reduced here for 3.577, and all this has been done using solver itself. Let me go back to the solver. So again, this is changing variable, and then the objective is minimum, and these all are the constants. This is the sensitivity report for part first, and this is the answer report. So that's all for this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. And for this Excel solution, you can just reach me out through WhatsApp or email address. I will be sharing you via both or any one of them. So whenever you are available. So, and I'm also available over anytime. So you can just reach me out, and I will be sharing my details in the description part of this video. So you can easily reach me out. And thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Take care.